Guys, welcome to Read TV. Today we're checking out something a little different. I got sent this. It's Endless Rain. Yoshiki's playing piano, and then it's a bunch of K-pop guys. I guess this was it says MA awards. I guess those are like some kind of K-pop awards. I'm not really familiar with a lot of K-pop, so let's go ahead and check this out. It's a packed place. X Japan was one of the first rock bands from Japan that I really listened to, and man, I was hooked immediately. Yoshiki is an amazing performer. It gives me chills just listening to it. He's so talented. It's crazy because seeing him in X Japan, he's this hard drummer, you know, banging on the drums, going crazy. And then just to watch him just nonchalantly just playing piano so effortlessly, and it's just so beautiful. Ooh, who's that? TAEHYUN? I don't know who that is. He's got a voice on him. Ooh. 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 Got chills there. No wonder y'all be falling in love with these K-pop dudes. They be singing like that. Oh my, that was amazing. I don't even know who this is. Oh, here's another guy. Let's see. Oh my, who's this guy? Hueningkei. I don't know him either, but ooh. Oh my. Ooh. Oh man, that man. I don't know who's got a better voice. Oh my. Are they part of the same group or rival groups? That'd be interesting. Because if they're in like rival groups, like seeing who's gonna sing their part better. I don't want to sing with them because I'm just gonna put it to shame, and these guys are way more talented than I am. Oh. 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 Don't do it to me. Oh. Oh. You know who I feel bad in this situation right now? It's Toshi. Oh man, these guys. Don't worry, you're still the OG. They can't do it like you. Oh, what's this? JAEHYUN. He's a rapping on it. Okay, let's check this out. Yeah. Now that's a twist on Endless Rain, having a little bit of a hip hop part on it. I wonder who put this. It's got to be Yoshiki. He put that together, didn't he? He's a perfectionist. Everybody knows that. I'm guessing this is another K-pop guy. He just did like a whole pose, and you could hear the crowd, like the women in the crowd just lost it. Oh my. This has been so good. Like, I don't know who all of these people are, to be honest with you. I don't know who all these people are in this group. I don't know if it's all one group. I don't know if these are separate groups, just maybe the head singers of the groups performing. But this has just been fabulous. From the beginning to 5 minutes and 12 seconds in, where we are right now. Oh, now you got the crowd singing. Oh god, who are these guys? Oh, these must be the artists. They were losing their minds. Look how many people. Like, we do award shows, but they do award shows. Man, look how many people are there. Wow. That place is packed. I guess that's another famous person. Yoshiki, he always grabs that microphone, and then he does a nice little whisper, and then he just goes back to playing like nothing just happened. Oh my. I just wanna let's just listen to it. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Bravo. Oh. Oh. Oh, whoever that was. Whoever this was. Not this guy, hold on. This, whoever these are, this crowd lost it. This guy's got an eye patch on. Oh man, that was fabulous. Well, there you have it. Yoshiki, TAEHYUN HUENINKKAI, JAEHYUN, Anton, and HANYUJIN Endless Rain. I know I butchered all of your names, and I apologize, but you guys are freaking amazing. That was fabulous. Oh my. Yes, that was really amazing. I really don't know what to say. I'm blown away. Like the voices of those guys were just like the dancer was cool. Cello killed it. Uh, the hip hop part threw me off, but I dug it. But those singers, man, they brung their A game, and like I said, Toshi, man, better watch out. These young guys are coming. All right, well, if you guys like more things like that, go ahead and like, subscribe, leave some suggestions in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next one.